Taylor broke his phone.
Hey girl! Hey girl! What are you doing? Swimming? Cool! Me too. Why is your hair's really pretty?
Jasmine, you ate on my phone.
Your hair sucks. What happened to your hair? Just get up from your...
Actually, you know just what I just got done doing.
Oh, stop moving around. Can't even see your nasty face.
Your face is nasty, not mine.
We're twins, stupid.
One of them.
Oh, God. Oh, no.
I know she missed a few days of school last
You remember her friend has cancer.
Oh, don't.
That's
I just started.
Don't pull out my
Now I have the makeup.
Her best friend.
But I thought she was
Okay, yeah, we will cost 50 cents at a dollar
She
store.
went down
What
there for 2 weeks. For 2 days.
You don't know me. You don't know me. Shoot, I know you better. He don't want you, girl. What you talking about, girl? He don't want you. He loves me. Your arm is like dislocated in 40 places. Shut up, go. Shut up, girl. Go sort away. Okay, let's make up. I'm sorry, girl. I didn't mean to.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, girl. I'm gonna go swim away, girl. All right. Why are we so ghetto? I don't even know.
week.